Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we got a box inside. What's in this box? An indication, it is a storage. Alright. It's for your shoes, storage for your shoe or whatever. It says 6 large mesh pocket shoe holder over door. Alright, so let's open it up here. Comes in this plastic here. It's one of them. Okay, so here we are. So it does have 6 slots for shoes, and then there's Velcro here. I don't know how it's gonna stick to my door, but that's how I have designed. Maybe this is more for like a current rod or something. But that is it. If you're interested in either of these items, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.